The 30th Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Economic Leaders Meeting kicked off in San Francisco, the United States, on Thursday with an aim to build a more interconnected, innovative, and inclusive APEC region. The two-day leaders meeting is the highlight of the APEC Leaders Week held in San Francisco with the theme of creating a resilient and sustainable future for all. Many scholars have expressed their hopes that Asia-Pacific cooperation will continue foster development for all.
I think the main expectation here is to get a more positive move for leading economies to collaborate more in the region, and also there will be positive effects to the global economy in general.
If we look at how the world is moving, unipolar powers may not be the future. We would have many polars where the economic strengths would be collaborating, and actually the world has witnessed that. We see so many trade negotiations and agreements between the blocs. For this APEC, now the world has actually learned over time that it's a kind of a cooperative behavior where every stakeholder needs to sit together, understand the strengths as well as the weaknesses of the other, and try to cooperate so that the world can actually move forward.
Having a dialogue such as APEC, bringing together the topic of resilience, where China is also offering a framework of cooperation, should be taken very positively. And China, as I understand, has been trying to propose the idea of more inclusion, so that China, as you understand, is one of the largest economy in Asia Pacific and in the world. So if China is advancing the idea of inclusion and a community together, the message is for peace.